I'm curious because I haven't seen this part.
Okay, here we are once again. We've been dying to give this demo for all the people who would like to use graphite as a really great way to protect their knives. And notice, that's it. That's one. And no, I don't worry about parts that look like they're exposed because there's a light coat. That's why there's a haze there. So you've got cover. It doesn't have to be thick. It doesn't have to be a lot. It just has to be applied.
Yeah, you have to see it to understand.
Well, yeah, that's the whole point.
Yeah. You know what would be a good idea? If I held one and you zoom, I brought it closer for you to zoom in.
You mean while I'm doing this and you're talking?
Yeah.
Okay, that was all it takes to use the dry graphite. There it is. The next step will be loading it up, and then we'll put it in the furnace. We're not going to go through all that. You've seen that before, but we'll have some steps in there. So for now, that's it. What you doing there, John?
I am taking the knives that have just, the graphite is dry, and placing them into the furnace. There we go. Boom. And, oh, this one.
Yes.
Okay.
So you can see he does this a lot.
Yeah. I'm still the newbie.
Okay. We're set at 500, and when it hits there,
Oh.
it's going up, John.
Oh, that's cold.
No shit! Would you expect it to be hot, John? Now take a look at these, see if they look any different. No, that's pretty good. Black, black, black. God damn, that's black.